here. This is the one. Then it's being controlled from here. When you switch off from here, it goes off. Switch on from here, it comes on. Then there's another switch for the downlights here. When you switch on like this, you can switch on and switch off from the same position. And the same downlights, these lights, they change. They have three functions. The first function is the blue and white. The second one is the plain white, and there's the third one which is blue. So one switch can change with three functions here. Then for the cabinet light, just control it from here. Then the same switch, you can switch from this position and also switch from another position to control the same lights. So these are the wiring system. This is the wiring system that we did. And here there is the distribution board. We installed it and everything is working inside here.